I am not looking for a poverty alleviation relationship. If men fear successful women, why didn't they marry me when I was roasting corn? This was words from Nkoli Nsukka, right? The popularly Nollywood actress, when she was replying Zuby Micheal, aka Ezendala, in a recent video. Take a look at this video and we'll talk.
These are not scare husbands away.
I want 1,000. Baby, 500K.
These are not scare husbands away. You go buy house, buy G. You go go shoot a tire.
Happy birthday, baby, Amo. No, don't I'll tell you.
Go buy house, buy G. Now, what do you don't understand? Okay, so what did you guys
Now, see, let me tell you, the idea is to be purposeful before partnership. Where I am coming is very dark. I am not looking for poverty alleviation relationship. I want to find myself and find a man that has found himself. You get it?
These are the issues.
So imagine say I don't get money. Zuby, where they talk. Okay, Zuby, I get 5 siblings. Imagine say I never make her. Maybe I earn like 30K, you know, average girl. You guys room chico buy. You have not put more than one more. You have not put in the mind. You give all those things. So you go say, you know what, men, what do not want? This is not the answer to find me. Why no money when I dance for the people? When I did roast for the why my first answer this one? This is success. They scare me. That's why they dance Akanchawa. Why I know man.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. If you go the video, she said that she's not looking for a poverty alleviation relationship, not for somebody, a partnership. It's not even a made guy that she wants a partnership. But this is strong. This is a very, very strong and empowering response from Nkoli Nsukka, because a lot of men are scared of women that are made, women that are rich, women that are successful. She interpreted it not as a disadvantage to her, but as an advantage, because most guys that are not successful, when they see such ladies, they don't want to approach them because they feel threatened from her success, right? A lot of people that they don't want whoever is their partner to be higher than them. Somebody was saying that low-key, that's in Zuby Micheal that he paid her. But let me tell you, don't see it from a place of mockery or a place of shade. She said she wants a partnership in a relationship. In all ramification, Nkoli Nsukka is right from this statement, because this have kept most people, whether the guys or the ladies. She also said when she was poor, what stopped these people from meeting her? When she was poor, however, whether you're roasting corn or selling charcoal, flex with what puts food on your table. Don't let people come for you when it comes to your legit place of making money. She said that when she was poor, what was carrying these guys from coming to her when she was poor? See, let me tell you, however you try to feel about this thing, what you do for yourself, your level, your goals, your dreams should not stop you. Always say something. Now people have adjusted. She said that she even sang for Gozie Okeke. I never knew that this girl sang for Kanshawa. She even sang and did roasting. Do you know what is roasting corn in Nigeria? This is people see it as the least. That's selling pure water, roasting corn by the roadside. People, say corn. People say pure water, because these people are making legit money. Hook up, but she chose to be honest about her career. Now she's gravitated from a level of roasting corn to being an actress and signing an endorsement deal, and you come to shade her that she's carrying away men because she bought herself an expensive car. Whoever you are as a guy, if you see somebody that is successful, that is a lady, Oga, please approach the lady with the highest confidence you've got, because it's so approach the person with all confidence that you've got. Because the girl might say no, the person might decline. On your own, no. Men on the other side, when they see somebody, when they see a babe on the low, somebody that is poor, men approach them. But now when the table turns for the women, men start feeling threatened. Men start feeling some kind of way just because the girl is successful. A lady's successfulness should not scare away men, but rather it should attract responsible bachelors for yourself. I feel that this car she bought for herself, it will attract response. Or this girl is worth about 800 million, so she should not get herself a nice car just because she's still single. Come on now, this is 2026. People should be reasonable with their thoughts. And besides, you where they talk to person anyhow, you where they talk to person, chew your words before spitting them out. Chew your words. Whether you are thinking it, please, as an adult, there are things you don't say to people. I feel that it's coming from a place of shade. Let me just be honest. However you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl, Bella. Peace out.